Good morning, student. In this session, we will study about the Wahl's correction factor. In the previous lecture, we have studied the total stresses in the helical coil, compression spring or tension spring by neglecting the effect of curvature, and expression obtained for the total shear stresses was tau is equal to Ks into 8WD pi d cube, where Ks is the shear stress factor whose value is given by Ks in the bracket Ks is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2C. While deriving this equation, we have neglected the effect of curvature. We have considered only the twisting moment and the stresses, direct shear stresses, and we have obtained this expression. But in actual practice, the spring is made by bending the straight bar. It has curvature. So due to curvature, what happens? The length of inside fiber is reduced as compared to the length of outer fiber. That causes the stresses inside the fiber more than the stresses on the fiber of outside. So that causes stress concentration. This is the helical coil compression spring used in motorcycle as a shock absorber. Now this is the inside fiber. This is the inside fiber. And this is outside fiber. The length of the inside fiber is less than outside fiber, and the stresses in the inside fiber will be more than the stresses in outside fiber, and that causes the stress concentration effect, that causes the curvature effect. So while designing the spring, we consider the curvature effect in addition to direct shear stresses and torsional stresses. So Wahl's introduced the stress concentration factor here given by K is equal to 4C minus 1 upon 4C minus 4 plus 0.615 upon C. Let us see from this figure that magnified view of the spring wire. These are all magnified views of the spring wire. This shows the distribution of torsional shear stress, and the maximum torsional shear stresses are given by tau 1 is equal to 8WD upon pi d cube. This figure shows the effect of direct stresses, that is tau 2, and that is given by load upon cross sectional area, where d is the diameter of wire. So tau 2 is equal to 4W upon pi d square. Now the combined effect here in this figure, the combined effect of torsion and direct shear stresses are shown here. Inside the curvature, the summation of tau 1 and tau 2 will be there, and outside curvature the difference of tau 1 and tau 2 will be there. Means inside fiber has higher stresses than the outer fiber. Now if we consider the effect of curvature, the spring is having curvature, that is formed by giving curvature to the straight bar. So that introducing that factor, the stresses will be more than this tau 1 plus tau 2, and the total stresses in that cases, if we consider the effect of curvature, is given by WD upon pi d cube, where K is the Wahl's correction factor introduced by scientist Wahl's and whose value is given by 4c minus 1 upon 4c minus 4 plus 0.615 upon c. Now just we will revise. In order to find the dimensions of spring, the maximum shear stresses introduced in the wire is considered, which is given by tau is equal to Ks into 8WD upon pi d cube, where Ks is shear stress factor and whose value is given by 1 plus 1 upon 2c. In this expression, we have considered only tau 1 torsional shear stresses and second tau 2 direct shear stresses. Here we have neglected the stresses due to curvature of wire. When bar is bent in the form of helical coil, the curvature of coil increases. Stresses on inside of the spring and at the same time stresses on outside of the curvature decreases. Means this is outer fiber, the stresses decreases, and this is inside fiber, so the stresses on inside fiber increases. Thus the length of inside fiber is lesser. The length of inside fiber is lesser than length of outer fiber. This results in stress concentration at inside fiber of coil, and this curvature effect is considerably large for high values of spring index. As soon as the value of spring index increases, we have to consider the effect of curvature. We cannot neglect the effect of curvature for higher spring index. Now, to estimate the correct value of stresses, Wahl's stress factor is introduced. Therefore, tau is equal to K into 8WD upon pi d cube. Introducing C, so this equation becomes tau is equal to K into 8WC upon pi d square, where K is the Wahl's correction factor whose value is given by 4c minus 1 upon 4c minus 4 plus 0.615 upon c. So this is all about the Wahl's correction factor. Thank you very much. We will meet in next session. This is the end of the session.